Hello everyone, Mike with views here in the San Jose office by our electric stand that we use for training and explanation. Today I'll talk about the ground. Ground is very important because it can save someone's life. By grounding I mean that the electric outlets, like this one for example, it has a ground right here. So if you see, like back in the days it was just two holes right here, now it's the third one. So third one is a ground, meaning the outlet has this extra hole doesn't actually mean that it is grounded, because sometimes whoever installs it, they're just gonna connect it, especially if it's a handyman, not licensed electrician, and it's not gonna do the proper grounding of this outlet. So it is very crucial for someone like us to come out and do the assessment and see which outlets are grounded. The reason for the grounding is, if there is a problem with the equipment or accidentally there is water leaks or someone touches the outlet, if it's grounded properly, it's not gonna have a crazy electrocution or problem to the equipment or something like that. If it's not grounded, it's gonna damage the equipment, it can kill you instantly and so on. So it's very important to make sure things are grounded. Our electricians, licensed electricians, when they come out, they do assessment, they open the outlets, test them for actual grounding all over the house. So they can come and test all your outlets. If it's not, we can provide you an estimate how to make them up to code, make them grounded and make them way safer. So if you want to do investment, that's a good idea to invest into the grounded outlets. And you may reach out to us. We can do the virtual estimate also, and obviously come on site to take a look what's going on for the inspection. Please reach to us, and thank you for watching.